G'day, my name's Paul and I'm metal detecting mad. Well, it's finally happened. MineLab have just released their latest metal detector. And here at Metal Detecting Mad on Instagram, we were talking about this 8 months ago. We put it out there that the metal detector was in testing. It was going to be called the Equinox Series 2. Now, dealers and vendors remain tight-lipped. However, there was one that said, be prepared for a release at Detectival. Now, it seems that MineLab have decided to go with the name Manticore. Now, this is a legendary beast of old. Now, let's check out the promo.